Te.
A. A.
Naman dari ah.
A.
Ambot.
Can. C.
Correct.
Do you know which one is the real Punisher? A or C?
A. A is for apple. A is for something.
Real Punisher is
Very good.
You want it?
guess which one is the real Wolverine?
That is Wolverine. C is for the C.
Very good.
Great job.
Number 6.
Guess which one is the real Rocket Raccoon from
Can
the
it?
three
Rocket
pictures?
Raccoon.
What letter? What letter?
A.
Very good.
Do you want it?
Guess which option is the real Iron Man?
Iron Man daw.
Red.
What letter?
C. Red.
What letter?
P.
Very good. Number 8.
Do you know which one is the real thing?
What letter?
B.
Letter B.
The real thing?
Mali. Mali na kag-isa.
Guess which one is the real Spider-Man?
Real Spider-Man. Asa daw?
This.
What letter?
B.
B. Very good.
Slim, short, overweight. He's option
One mistake. Okay, number 10.
Which one is the real Captain America?
Captain America daw.
And this one.
What letter? A. Chuk. Correct.
Captain America is indeed option A. Well done.
Wait. I need this.